Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from sharestradingschool.com. Today, 22nd February 2019. Uh, Nifty analysis, we will first see in daily chart. Yesterday, actually, we have recorded and published, but unfortunately, there was some problem with the audio. But however, you could have seen that we have plotted a trend line and even Fibonacci retracement level. At least visually, you could have seen that. However, I'll just take you through the quick recap of what we wanted to analyze yesterday. Yesterday, market actually was showing a pivot reversal signal day before yesterday, and after that, a recovery was obviously expected. And this recovery will face a problem at this EMA. All three EMAs, 20, 50, and 100 EMA, which, as per daily chart, can say that they are placed at 800 level. So 10,800 level can act as a strong resistance, and that was obvious behavior of a market. However, if in case it could penetrate above that, because we were expecting market to test resistance here, but there was a chances that it can cross this, because in the past it had, though it had faced those resistance, but it could cross and close above that. Most of the time whenever it has crossed that, it had tested it as a support. The first time, rather, if you see, it has tested as a resistance, because in the past, whenever it had crossed above those level, then it had retested this as a support and bounced back to north. And this is what we were expecting. So I thought it probably penetration can lead to testing this as a support. So though it had penetrated, if you look at that setup, then you can easily, I'll just zoom it. So you can see that it had penetrated these three moving averages. However, while closing, it couldn't close above those. Rather closed just below those moving averages. So instead of testing it as a support, it had tested as a resistance. So at this moment, we expect that this resistance to continue, and that can lead to a minor correction. To confirm it, we will just convert it into intraday. In intraday, what you'll have to do is, you will have to plot a Fibonacci retracement. One can take this high, that is 11th Feb high at 2 o'clock high, which is at 10,920, and this is a swing low which was established on 19th Feb at 5 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and once we take this as a swing high and this swing low and a plot of Fibonacci retracement level, one can see that these levels had acted as a very good resistance and support level in the past, and it was reconfirmed after recovery that market had stopped at this 50% retracement level, created a one bearish bar, and then next time it penetrated, then next level it had actually tested at 61.8 retracement, where it had again yesterday formed one bearish bar. So indeed this retracement level we have plotted is ideal retracement level, and now it has just closed below the 10,792. If you see it in an hourly chart, it has just tested resistance at 100 EMA, but could close above that 100 EMA. However, if I just convert this into two hourly chart, because most of the time I have observed that market follows two hourly chart of Nifty rather than hourly chart, and that is the reason I sometimes prefer to convert this chart into two hourly and then reconfirm levels. And that is what actually we can see that 100 EMA has been acted as a resistance. So in my view today, as we said that as per daily chart resistance is tested, and as per 2 hourly chart resistance is tested, and with 61.8% retracement is over, we are expecting market to correct at this level. So for lower level for the correction, lower support level for the correction is 10,753. So that correction can take market to 10,753, and further down it can go to 10,713. So please do remember these two levels. Market will try and bounce back from this level, probably 10,713 level, where obviously this 20 EMA can also give a very good support. Again, if we change it into hourly chart, we will see that as per hourly chart, the 20 EMA is in hourly as well as 2 hourly chart. We can see that the 20 EMA is just about 10,713. So in my view, it may happen that market come to 10,753, test support at penetrate, and then test support at 150 or 20 EMA, and then bounce back. So what to confirm that, what I'll do is I'll just take a I'll just plot a trend line. For that I have taken this swing low and this swing low, and this is a current trend line. So I am expecting market to correct, and this correction can take till this trend line which I have just plotted. So unless market is above this trend line, there is a probability that market can continue this recovery and can go to a higher level once it crosses yesterday's high, which is actually 10,808, rather 10,810. Once it crosses 10,810, then my target will be 10,841. So if market crosses 10,810, then I'll go long, and then my target will be 10,840 level. So I'll book my profit at 10,840. So if market corrects down, I will not trade, and till this trend line is intact. So above this trend line, there is a high probability that market will bounce back. So if market corrects till 10 rand, then I'll consider it as no trade zone. In if below 10,792, rather if market remains below 10,810, 10,810 and above this trend line, so this area will be no trade zone for me. And if in case it crosses this trend line at 10,753, then certainly I'll get opportunity to go short, and in that case I will short Nifty, and my target will be 10,713, and my stop loss will be that time 10,792. So if in case Nifty crosses this level south, then there will be shorting opportunity, and this level can be further target. If Nifty crosses yesterday's high, then first target of Nifty will be 10,841. I'll if at all, if I open any kind of a trade in today, I'll certainly close it. I will not carry forward it for Monday. So this is my trading strategy for Nifty today. So wishing you all the best, friend. Thank you very much for watching this video.